guys, how you doing? This is Herman again, and this time I got another just my review, and this time I got a good news for everybody that have the nice Xiaomi Mi 4K and the 1080. Now remember, if you guys remember this video right there, I was trying to repair the gimbal of my camera because I got an accident with my drone, fall down, and I got it right here, and you guys can see, well, the repair is still good, and I got this camera protector. As you guys can see it, my gimbal is still in place. No damages at all occur to the drone. I fly a couple of times, and I can tell you guys, it works the same way. I got some comments from guys telling me that the camera is not working right, and the only thing I can figure right now in my mind is that something were not connected right. Maybe one or two cables. You guys gotta watch out the ribbons. If you guys don't plug it in the right way real carefully, it's gonna affect the contacts of the ribbon cable, and you guys gotta push it a little bit hard in order to push the clicks down when you guys connect the ribbon wire. In this case, in my case, it works real good, but that's not the thing I'm gonna show you guys. This is gonna be a short video. This is not gonna be a huge and long video like the other ones I got. But thinking all the people that have the same problem, I just ordered this little miracle thing right here. Guess what it is, guys? Guess what it is? I'm gonna open it for you guys. And this is, ta-da! This is the part for the gimbal, the missing part we had broken. Well, not missing, but this is the broken piece. My gimbal was broken over here, and basically I welded it, and it works very good, no problems at all. It's we can say it's a difference. If you guys see, this is probably, this is not the original. This is a 3D part made it, but it works very good. This is not gonna look the same because this is a cover from the outside, but this is the internal part of the gimbal, and it's basically going right there. As you guys can see right here, it's compatible. It was real tough for me to fix this one, the original, because these little pieces right here got broken, and basically I have to use a mix using a crazy glue, special crazy glue, not the regular crazy glue, mixed with this powder that now I forgot in my mind what it was the name of the powder, but this how to call this powder, I completely forgot in this moment, but you guys know, the guys that already saw the video know what I'm talking about. Baking soda, the powder mixed with this could be crazy glue, regular one, but I prefer to use a special glue, special made for this kind of plastic. This is not like a regular plastic, well, at least this one it looks like it's a 3D copy, but it's well made, and it's hard, and the nice thing is it's basically one piece. It's not welded like this one. This one is perfect. I can tell you guys, I cannot complain about this one. My camera is still in one place, and everything is working real fine. I got a little bit problem right here. When I turn it right here, it get a little bit stuck, but when it's working by itself in the air, only when I move it right here, it looks like you guys can see it's stuck a little bit, but looks for the main function of the camera is working very good. So far, no problems at all. The only thing, like I told you guys, is that sensation that I get stuck a little bit is because of this little piece right here. Because when the ribbon is going around, it gets stuck, and do that I have to basically do it myself, cut it and shape it and everything. You know, as a handmade job, it wasn't perfect, but it was good enough to make it work. Now, if I want to change it, I'm gonna leave it right like that so far, because I think I don't need it right now. The camera is working good. But guys, yes, if your drone fails and your gimbal get broken, this is the part you guys need, and I'm gonna show you right now. I get in AliExpress. Come over here with me and take a look in the camera. This is the video when I was making the repair. You guys remember that? You guys can go right here to aliexpress.com, and you guys can see right here. Right here is the ribbon cable plus the part we're looking for. You guys can get it in black color, or you guys can get it in white color. Now guys, this is so far everything I got for you guys, and I gotta say guys, now is the time to fix your drone. If you didn't yet, or for some reason you guys keep the piece because you guys scared about to fix it, now is the time to do it. Just you guys gotta go to aliexpress.com, and I'm gonna put the link below my video. Just click it, give thumbs up, and if somebody else with a problem, you guys may know that got the Xiaomi Mi drone 4K or the 1080p, just send the video to them. Thumbs up guys, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna keep uploading videos later on for different things. Not only this, we're gonna start a new channel about fitness. It's gonna be interesting because it's a big change of my life. And I want to thank my daughter Grace that is behind the camera. She's recording it, and I wanna to my daughter says something to you guys. Say something to the guys.
Hi everybody.
That was my daughter, and guys, see you guys later. I'm gonna leave you guys right here with this beautiful part for our drum. Thank you guys. Bye bye.